Now I'm going to clean up everything, apply my gaskets, and then reinstall. So with a razor blade and my rag and my finger, I'm going to clean all these surfaces. Take your time here, get these perfect. Now the popular spots for these to leak is here and over here. Usually right here, because when the bike's on its kickstand, the oil will sit right in this corner. So what I do is I put a little black Ultra right in this area. I know Harley frowns upon it, but I want to do this job once. And you're going to end up doing this rear one. Same thing. Gravity, kickstand, oil sits right here. And it weeps. It does, especially if you're using synthetic. You will have a leak. Ultra from here to here. All right, with that, you make sure everything is clean, nice, a little brake cleaner, and I'm going to install a grommet gasket. Right here is the weak point. I'm going to take a little Permatex Ultra and just apply it in this corner. The bike sits on its kickstand and the oil makes this fail. So a little dab. It's all clean. This way, this will never leak. I've done too many of these. They leak. Harley loves them. This is a source of revenue for them. Just a dab of this stuff and you're good to go. I do it on the low part of the other side too. Just a little skim coat. I have my gaskets already installed on the bottom of here. Remember the way this went in, and remember the bolt. Be patient. Make sure your push rods, just give them a little spin. Everything seems to be set nice. Just get them in place. Remember, this is the 8th turn to tighten. Sometimes if this gives you a problem, it's because this shaft on your rocker moved. Now I'm just going to bring these down, hand tighten. Hand tighten. You have to tighten this cross pad. I just want to get it to where I feel a little resistance. You'll feel it. A little resistance, stop, because then we got to do a cross pad and torque it. 18 to 22 foot-pounds. But check your book. Some models can be different. You see how that? Now I'm on the cross padding. Nice. So I feel it snug. You know when you did it right, you got top dead center, and this all goes on with ease. Like I said, if you don't got top dead center, it'll give you a little bit of a problem. 1/8 inch, 1/8 turn. 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 Just work it. Corner to corner. You can feel the redisc. They're all the same. Now I'm going to get the torque wrench. Alright, I set the torque wrench at 10. I'm going to need a swivel. Okay. 17, 18. I want to see what that does. Alright, I gotta move this over a little bit. I'm gonna keep it right in the middle at 20. Now we got these two. I snug these up because, like I said, sometimes these feel like they start to stretch. So I ended up at 20 pounds, and these all tighten up. Snug them up. You don't want to snap them. Now for our steel 7/16. Start these by hand. Don't go crazy with these. You don't want to snap nothing. Square it up. Get a nice little turn. You'll feel it. There we go. This is the hard one. Turn it as much by hand. You gotta just get that right angle. But without a swivel, this ain't gonna happen. Beautiful. So with a little black Ultra, this is the low spot. When this bike's on its kickstand, I'm gonna do the same to the other side. All right, we're all tightened up here. What I like to do is rotate the wheel. I put the bike back on the jack. Now I want to rotate the wheel and put everything in motion and just listen. It's a beautiful thing. Everything sounds nice and normal. You don't got to worry about nothing. All right, back down to the ground. Jack out of the way. And what I'm going to do is put this cover back on. All right, we remember how this went on. I put some Ultra in these corners. I don't want to deal with a leak again with this bike. Be careful, be gentle. And just remember the way you took it out. Just snug them up. Corner to corner. Don't go crazy, you'll break these. There's no need for it. We put that little bit of Ultra up there. She'll seal and never leak again. I'm gonna put it back together and then start it. All right, with that, I got the 15 amp in place. I got the 30 amp back. I got the tank on. Tank is hooked up to power. That's your fuel pump. Everything nice, lined up just the way it was. I like to start it up at this point. If you had this at top dead center, this motor should turn over and not miss a beat. If you didn't have it at top dead center, it will make a tapping noise because you collapsed the lifter. Don't worry, it will go away. Let's see how we're doing. And make sure you put her in neutral. I got the clutch in. Pump is working. Neutral. Hand clutch. She's in neutral. You don't hear no ticking. She's beautiful. That's how you know you have it at top dead center. All right, I'm going to put this together. If you have any questions, just ask. Please leave a comment. Have a great day and ride safe.